Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, XAMPP, fix Apache Shutdown unexpectedly error. Apache Shutdown unexpectedly. My SQL service started successfully. Right-click Config, click Apache httpd.conf. Click Edit, Find. Type 80 in Find What. Click Find Next. Add 80. Click Find Next. Add 80. Click Find Next. Add 80. Click Find Next. Save and exit editor. Try to start Apache service. Apache service started successfully. Type localhost with updated port number. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.